In this video, we are going to walk through how to plan your day using a daily planner. We're going to start by grabbing a single page daily planner insert from Rongrong. There will be a link in the description box to this. She has a 90-day quarterly supply, which is 93 sheets of daily planner pages, which you can add to your Happy Planner or your Rongrong planner. I just ordered her new custom planner for 2025. Very excited about that. So this is one of her daily sheets that you can add to the weekly planner. Or you can use this on any 9-disc planner system. But I wanted to just walk through the simple and easy way to plan your day. You have to start with your priorities, and I like to work with these priority categories, which is self-care, friends and family, household, financial, goals, and any other big projects like moving or building a house or getting married or anything big events like that. So within those priorities, you want to write down what your top ones are for this time block, which is one day, and start with those. So let's say this one day, your top priorities will be, mine would normally be something like self-care, financial, and goal. I'm going to say goal. And then these boxes here are great to put in for if you have different tasks that you need to do for work or personal. You can also cover these up and make them something else. But I want to get right into time blocking your day and how to schedule out your day. So my day, I'm just going to use a simple mild liner highlighter to just kind of block off my early hours. So this would be 5 a.m. to, let's say, 8. So my early schedule within this time block here would be to work on a self-care task and a goal task. So you would put in your self-care task here, which for me would be meditation, and then some kind of planning. And then this would be get ready for work. So this would be go to work, get ready. So you're just going to time block your main categories of your day. So the next, this would be work. And you can also do it this way, like writing in your work and then an arrow down, or you can highlight. So this would be like lunch break. And I always like to do a task during my lunch break. So I always have a task to assign to that lunch break. So it would be, let's say lunch break, but there will be a task to do or an errand. So that would be under one of your priorities. It could be personal. So let's say during this work time block, I have these tasks to do for the day. So this would be, let's say, task 1, whatever it is, and task 2. Then another work time block. Simple. It's not that hard. You just have to go through each of your categories and write in your things to do. So personal would, let's say my planning task, whatever that is for this day. So this will be my planning task. So I'm going to do that in the morning. And then I have an errand to do or a task, whatever it might be. I'm going to say it's an errand. And then let's say I have 2 other things, like I need to order something and then a to-do task. All right. So then after work, let's call this drive home. Then I have another self-care thing to do here. So let's put self-care here. And then let's say dinner is there. And then during this time block, I take care of to-do task and order something. Order and to-do task. Dinner. Drive home. That's it. plan out your day like this so that it's simple for you, keeping in mind that you don't have a lot of time in your day if you're working. And when you split it out like this, you can really see. So just, I'm going to go ahead and list the categories here. Self-care. I'm going to call this one family, but it could be friends. It could be other people you take care of or volunteer time that you're doing. Financial is work or business. Household. There's always household things to do. Goal, projects. So these are all your priorities right there. You just have to decide which ones are most important to you right now and which tasks are under the categories. All right, then here's some of the bonus things that Rongrong gives us on this daily page. Water tracker, self-care tracker. So this would be where I could put in my meditation and check it off. I do track my breakfast, lunch, and dinner just to try. If you pay attention, it's more likely you'll do the right thing and not eat the donut and eat the bran muffin instead, or the protein shake, right? We try. And then your other, there's other space down here for calls, emails, texts, and a note box so that you can track everything right on this page for this day. I also love that the back has a dot grid space for journaling, stickers, whatever you need to do. And then she has little extra mind mapping and notes at the bottom. Just cool bonuses to have for your day. So keep it simple. Decide what's most important to you under these categories of self-care, family, financial, household, goal, projects. And then decide what your work tasks and personal tasks are. You can do that for the whole week as well. This sample could be on a day, it could be a week. I like to do it over a week, but if you like to get into details like this, you can down to a day. And this is how I would do that. See how these boxes are work and personal? Let's say you really need to expand one of these boxes. And let's say you really need to expand out your morning routine. So it's really going to be all of these things here. So for me, it would be, let's go over on the back and go ahead and expand that out. So let's call this morning routine. If you want to get super detailed and if you're wanting to track your time, but first, coffee. Put in all your tasks that take your time so that you can see how you're spending your time. Meditation, planning. Then I have skincare / makeup routine, prep whatever I'm bringing for breakfast / lunch. If I'm a good girl, it's a protein shake, and get dressed. So go ahead and split out your actual morning routine. How are you spending your time in the morning? Put in all of your tasks and make sure you have enough time to get everything done. And then get ready. So that would be my morning. But you can break out one of your other boxes as well, like your work tasks you have here and here. You can break them out, or you can use a whole planner just for work, or just for personal, or just for financial, which would be work, business, paying bills, tracking your budget, or just for household, or just for family, or everything all put together, or just for self-care. These are also good choices for a specific planner. If you're not sure what you want to track in your planner, or if you need multiple planners, these priorities can help you decide. If you have a large family, you probably need a planner just for the family. If you enjoyed this simple how to use a daily planner to plan your day, hit that thumbs up button. Again, check out the description box for links to shop Rongrong for planners or planner inserts like this one. Hit me up in the comments if you have any questions. Subscribe for more planning videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.